Come, let us spill this already spilled juice and get into some entertainment news. Now, Shebeshet has publicly claimed that DJ Maphorisa has yet to pay him for a song they recorded together at Maphorisa's studio last year. Now, this is reported by MDN News. Now, according to the rapper, despite the track release, he hasn't received any compensation from his contribution by Upori. We know that we love Maphorisa the goat, right? But now, at this point, Mina, I am scared to go to gush, 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 gush. And then, Unkosi uyabuza ukuthi does he have a manager who can connect with Pori's team instead of just trolling him? I don't know what does Ushebe have a manager or he just does things for himself. But Mina, I know Uguti he has to pay for the studio time and the free food that he ate in Pori studio. Uguti, what was the agreement? Asas, but do you think Uguti Pori can stoop that low? I don't know. Please do like, share, and subscribe. Most of all, please do subscribe so that we finally get to the 1,000 subscribers.